tired. Tired. Nagkaan ka na, Gab? Oh, na. Paano na, Gab? Thank you sa likes. Thank you for the likes. Gab! These two words of wisdom, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper word of wisdom. Let's at ay bukas. Whisper word of wisdom. Thank you so much, 17 people. Hi. Hungry na. I feel hungry. Whisper word of wisdom. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. I'm alright. Thank you so much. Hi, Sir Pat. Hello, sister. Good morning there in the Philippines. Hi, Sir Pat. Thank you so much, Sir Pat. Hi, Sir Thank you, Sir Pat. Hi. Cohesion isn't cohesion. Good morning from Columbus, Indiana, USA. Thank you, Sir Pat, from Indiana, Columbus, Indiana, USA. Thank you, Sir Pat. Welcome, host. Thank you so much. Hot weather here. Federico. Hello from Canada. Hi, Johnny from Canada. Thank you so much, sweet 2 million. Thanks a likes. Where Mike at sister? Mike resting now, Mike. The rest. Maybe going to sleep. I have to rest. You need to rest. Okay, yes po. Thank you, 24 people. Hi. Sama sa dani da? May simple dito. Dali yan. Gusto mo ba ha? Simple. Okay, may pa ako. Thanks. Ayaw ka dito ho. Thank you, 22 people. Thank you so much. You look like a girl. Really? I'm like a girl. Pag-abot na ni Bimbo, kaya din siya makaridos. Saga na lang. Ikaw kaya. Thank you. Really, I look like a girl. Wow, I'm young. But me, I feel going to expiration now. Maabot na si Bimbol. Para magkuhang pani dagay. Diploma. Thank you. Can I have shawarma? No shawarma. There.
Ay, di bawal magbili. Ano?
Organisa.
Ang kagabi na kahapon na ito.
Hi Rahul.
Adobo.
Please 10 flying kiss call. Please.
Bakit sa iyo? Ay, nakitog. Ang ihaw-ihaw. Hindi pang kaya na inakit na ano.
Sister, you want me to time him? It's up to you, Sir Pat. I understand. Thank you, Sir Pat. No toxic here. Thank you. Yes, thank you, Sir Pat. Be respectful next time. Thank you, Sir Pat. Thank you so much. She's taken. Yes, I'm taken. Wait, I need to another ring because I want to. I'm engaged. Look, beautiful. Much welcome, sister. Thank you, Sir Pat. Thank you, 29 people in the house. Oh my God. Hi, 4350, my friend. I hope everything is great today. Yes. Hi, cute. Good morning. How are you? Nice to meet you. Hi, Sir Chris. Thank you for joining. Molly, sit. Hi, Robert. It's Brandon. Hi, Brandon. You changed your channel name. Ata. Hey, Brandon. Thank you for joining. Hi. Ata.
Wow, ayos ah.
Oh. Zayla.
Thank you, 16 people. Papa, si Papa. Parang, baka yung mga mic.
Mandang, mas nak mandang. Okay. Oh, sige.
Nakalive ako. Nakalive ako. Lola King! Hi, Sir Jeff. Tita. Hello. Hi, Mitchell Ballas. Hello, Miss Cheryl. Hi, Miss Cheryl. Hi. Ito lang, Mama. Na rin. Na rin. Wala na. Thank you for the like. Thank you so much.
Ito, cara dito mo.
Okay.
Ano?
Lunchtime in the Philippines. Yes, lunchtime. Wow. Yummy, babang. Yummy. Thank you, eating people. Hi. Machinchori pa, Mama. Mayroon dito sa balay. Magkutsara. Susman. Mm. Parang ang ka-offline na. I'm Mitch from 56 from the USC, Georgia. Hi, nice to meet you, Sir Mitch.
Sira ko, ba?
Oo, nakuha na lang ako. Wow. Ito sa labas. Beautiful family. Thank you, Sir Mitch. Ano yun? Ano ba?
Ha?
Ano ba?
Adobo.
Ano, uduan mo muna nga ilang cellphone. Nandali naman tayo mag-uwian. Baka, unahin.
Mm.
Ay, magaling si dada mo.
Kakaon na nga niya. Hello, brother Michelle. Good to see you from Sir Pat. Sister, give Mitchell Ahmad. I know him. Good friends. Okay po. Thank you. Okay po, Sir Pat. Thank you, Sir Mitch. Hi, Johnny Gantos. Hi from Brazil, Fabiano. Excuse me. Sabi ko kapantin mo. Kainom mo. Thanks. Welcome, host. Thank you, Sir Pat.
Pagkatubo dito.
Hmm. Thank you.
Bili ko kay may kaon ko kay langka. Nagpilda ang sula.
That's good. Ano? Mga basa dito ate. Bukan mo. That's good, brother. Michelle from Sarpat. Well, it's your Michael or Mitchell. Same the brother Mitchell. Thanks for the color blue pad from Sir. Mm. Sabi
Dugo.
Kada ko sa nadugo.
Dugo.
I'm match. Match. Ah, okay. It sounds like a girl, like a woman for match. The match. Match welcome host. Give you blue, brother Mitchell. Welcome to the family here po. Blue Farm. Mami. Ano daw? Sabi?
Pansit ko naman.
May di ba pansit? Mommy!
Sarap ito.
In the Philippines is girl. In America is a boy or man. Ah, okay po. Now I know.
Na!
Excuse me.
Pagdating na ito ito yung
Then,
Jollibee, sabi ko.
Jollibee. Diyan ka mamakad to. Ha? Hmm? Diyan yun. Hmm? Hmm. Michelle is a girl. Mitchell is man in America. Ah, okay po. Hmm. Sorry, my match if misspelled brother, yeah. Sorry if misspelled. It's okay, no worries. Nobody's perfect. Thank you, brother. No problem, no problem from Sir Mitch. Ba-ba-bam. Do you have a sponsor, Miss Cheryl? Sponsor for what? Do you have a sponsor? Have you eaten yet? I already. A sponsor for for the marriage, something like that. Sponsor. No, Mitch or Mitchell is fine. Okay, cool. A sponsor for you and family in your channel. A sponsor for me and your family in your channel. A sponsor for me. If you want to sponsor, thank you so much, Sir Michelle. But I already have in a relationship, long distance relationship. Yes, he's also an American. He's sponsor for me. Sponsor. I don't understand the sponsor. I understand the sponsor of like if I something have a sponsor, something like that. A sponsor like wedding, something like no relationship. Just help you and family. Just help on my family. Like friends. But if you want to sponsor, Sir Mitch, thank you in advance. Thank you, Sir Mitch. I sponsor 11 Filipino with school and family like food, clothing, and school supplies. So really, wow! You're very generous, Sir Mitchell. Good job po. Thank you. God bless you more. Wow.
Hi.
Me here. Something like if someone give me a gift, I also give to Juan. But no relationship, just help. Really? Thank you, Sir Mitch. Wow, that's good. That's good. God bless you. God bless you more. You help a lot. More kids, your families, you help. to the sun and the moon. That's legit allies. Zet, no? Watch your words. Yeah. What is that? Ah. I will always respect you and your boyfriend and family. Thank you, Sir Mitch. Thank you so much. God bless you more. Hope you have families you help. Mike, he understands why what I'm doing. Like my one of the job my here is community service, volunteer. I helped a Filipina girl 5 years ago with 10,000 US dollar. Johnny, wow, good job. I like helpful people. Hello, mom, greetings from Seoul, Tan Kuder. Ang OA mo. Alam mo ba yun? Johnny, boo, wow, that's great. I'm proud of you guys, Sir Mitchell and Sir Johnny. So proud of you. God bless you more. Wish you more families you help. The serving families need your help. Something like that.
Get down. Hi.
Thank you, 3 people in the house. Thank you so likes. She works 7 days a week just to make 1,000 pesos in a month. Yeah, just maybe she's maid, housekeeping, something like that. Cheap price, cheap salary. I'm proud of you, Sir Johnny. You help a deserving family, so that's why she deserves your help. Okay, now I can buy malunggay pandesal. Sana healthy ka lagi sa malunggay pandesal. Tanghaling tako. Yeah. Yes, housekeeping, yes. Some housekeeping here, cheap salary.
Ito na. Aswang doon.
May aswang daw, didi.
Oh, aswang doon.
Yes. Thank you, 10 people. Thank you for the likes. Madunggay pansa. She was at that work for 12 years. Wow. Maybe she received a cheap price, maybe because no choice, no opportunity to finding another job, something like that. She's just like a trap, something. I'm fine, Sanjay. How about you? How are you? Sana'y maintindihan mo. Thank you to those who to those who follow, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you subscribe. Thank you, 6 people in the house. She was at the 9 million. Seven people. Sana'y maintindihan. Thank you sa likes. Oh my God. After work, need to work. My God. Need to a little for rest, then work again. My God. I need to end the live because I need to take a nap and then I'm going to work. Need to do something. Thank you so much. God bless.